Good morning, students. Already we saw exercise 3.2, filling the blanks true or false. Now we are going to see how to add and subtract the given algebraic expression. See the third one first sum, add 8x and 3x. Now already I told you only we add and subtract the like terms. Like terms only we can add and subtract. Here 8x and 3x are like terms. Now we add these two terms, these two algebraic expression. Listen carefully. Here when we add the algebraic expression, we add the coefficient only. Then the variable you write as it is. Here this x you write as it is. 8 plus 3 11. So the answer is 11x. Next 7mn, 5mn. Here the variable and the powers are equal. So these two terms are like terms. Now we add these 7mn and 5mn. See, write this mn as it is. 7 plus 5, 12mn. So the answer is 12mn. Next, now we add minus 9y plus 11y plus 2y. See here 11y and 2y are positive. So first we add these two expression. 11 plus 2, 13y. 11y plus 2y, 13y. Now we add these two terms. Here minus 9y, here plus 13y. See here the signs are different. So we subtract these two expression. So 13 minus 9, 4. This y you write as it is. So the answer of minus 9y plus 11y plus 2y is 14y. See the fourth one, subtract. Now we subtract 4k from 12k. See here, after from what is given, that one you write first. Here after from 12k is given, so first you write 12k, then you write this 4k. Now we subtract, so we put minus sign. So 12 minus 4, here also you write the variable as it is, just you subtract the coefficient only. 12 minus 4 is 8k. So the answer is 8k. Next, see here, subtract 15q from 25q. After from what is given, 25q, that one you write first, then 15q. Here subtract means minus. You write the q as it is, 25 minus 15, 10q. Next, 17xyz. See here, subtract 7xyz from 17xyz. After from 17xyz, so you write first, then minus 7xyz. See xyz you write as it is, 17 minus 7, 10. So the answer is 10xyz. See the fifth sum, find the sum. Sum means we add the expression. See here 3 expressions. This is 1, 2, 3. Here 3 expressions are given. Now we add these 3 expressions. See here, so we write in between these two expressions plus. Sum means plus. So 7p plus 6q plus 5p minus q plus q plus 16p. See here, first now we add this expression in horizontal method. Okay, first we group the like terms. Here 7p, 5p and 16p. These are like terms. First we group the like terms. Plus, next we group the q terms. That is like terms. 6q minus q plus q. First we write 7p plus 5p plus 16p. Bracket, then you put plus sign. We group, we put plus sign. Then 6q, this minus q, this plus q. See here these 3 terms are like terms. So write this p as it is. Now we add the coefficient. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 16, 28p. Plus, here minus q and plus q we get cancelled. So 6q only. So the answer is 28p plus 6q. Next sum, now we add these two expression. Here 5a plus 5b plus 7c, then 2a plus 10b plus 9c. We add means we put plus symbol in between these two expression. Okay, here also first we group the like terms. Here 1a, here 2a. That's all. Here a terms are over. So we write a plus 2a, then put plus. Then here 5b and 10b. These two terms are like terms. So we group these 5b and 10b, then plus here 7c plus 9c. See here a plus 2a 3a. A means that is 1a. There is no number in front of a. It is understood that is 1. 1a plus 2a 3a plus 5b plus 10b 15b plus 7c plus 9c 16c. Next we add mn plus t plus 2mn minus 2t minus 3t plus 3mn. See, first we group the like terms. See here mn, 2mn, 3mn. These three terms are like terms. First you write mn plus 2mn plus 3mn. When we group the terms, in between you should put plus sign. Okay, plus. Then you write t terms. Here or t, here minus 2t, here minus, you write with symbol. Here minus 3t. See here, these three terms are like terms. See here, mn means that is 1 mn, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 mn. Plus, you write this plus as it is. Here 1t minus 2t minus 3t. Here these two terms are minus. So, when we add these two, we get minus 5t. Here plus 1t. So, plus 1t minus 5t is minus 4t. That is 6mn plus into minus minus this 4t. So, the answer is 6mn minus 4t. Next, 5xyz minus 3xy plus 3zxy minus 5yx. See here the term is xyz, but here zxy. Yes, we can write. We see xyz and zxy are like terms. See, the variables and the power of the variables are equal. Okay, here the x power is 1, here also the x power is 1. Here y power is 1, here also y power is 1, here z power is 1, here also z power. So these two, x, y, z, we can write z, x, y. These two terms are like terms. Okay. Now we group these two terms, that is 5xyz plus 3zxy. This one we write 3xyz. Both are equal. Okay. Then plus, here what is given? Minus 3xy minus 5xyx. This minus 5yx we can write 5xy minus 5xy. Now see 5 plus 3 8, this xyz plus, see here minus, see here the two terms are minus. So put the same sign. Now we add this coefficient 3 plus 5 8, that is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8xy. So the answer is 8xyz plus into minus minus 8xy. Then now we add u plus v plus u minus v plus 2u plus 5v plus 2u minus 5v. See here, first you group u terms. This is like terms. U plus 2u plus 2u plus here v, here minus v, here plus 5v, here minus 5v. See here in front of you is 1. That is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6u. Here this plus v minus 5v cancel, plus 5v minus 5v cancel. So the v terms fully cancel, plus 0v. This one again we write 6u. 6u plus 0v is 6u. Next we subtract 13x plus 12y minus 5 from 27x plus 5y minus 43. See here what is given after from what is given. This one you write first, that is 27x plus 5y minus 43. Subtract means minus. Then you write these terms 13x plus 12y minus 5. See here, see this minus is common for these three terms. So we multiply this minus inside. This one you write 27x plus 5y minus 43 as it is. Here minus, here plus, minus into plus minus 13x, here plus minus into plus minus 12y, minus into minus plus 5. See, in subtraction, see this minus is common for these three terms, so we should multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. Okay, now next you group the as it is, you group the like terms. Here 27x and 30 minus 13x is a like terms. This is x terms. So 27x minus 13x. When we group the terms, we should put plus sign. Then here 5y, then minus 12y. These two terms are like terms. Then plus, here the constant term is minus 43, here plus 5. See, 27 minus 13 is 14x plus 5y minus 12y. See here, minus. See, minus 5y minus 12y. Now we subtract. 12 is the greater number in front of minus. So minus 12 minus 5 is 7y. Plus minus 43 plus 5. We subtract these two. 43 minus 5 is 38. 43 is a greater number in front of 43 minus. So the answer is minus. That is 14x plus into minus minus 7y plus into minus minus 38. So the answer is 14x minus 7y minus 38. Now we subtract 3p plus 5 from p minus 2q plus 7. So after from p minus 2q plus 7, subtract means minus this 3p plus 5. See here, this minus is common, so we multiply inside the bracket. Plus 3p into minus minus 3p plus into minus minus 5. Okay. Now we group the like terms. Here p, here minus 3p plus here 2q terms only 1 minus 2q only. Then we group the constant term, that is plus 7 minus 5. P, here 1p minus 3p. Listen carefully. 3 is a greater number, in front of 3 is minus. So when we subtract, greater number sign only we put. So plus 1p minus 3p is minus 2p. Here plus this minus 2q as it is. 7 minus 5 is 2. This one we write minus 2p plus into minus minus this 2q plus 2. Then subtract m plus n from 3m minus 5n, 7n. So after from 3m minus 7n, so you should write first, subtract means minus this m plus n. Now group the like terms. So first we, this minus we multiply inside the bracket. So plus minus into plus minus m, minus into plus minus n. Okay. Now we group that like terms. 3m minus m plus here minus 7n, here also minus n. So when we group the two terms, we should put plus sign between the bracket. Okay. Here 3m and minus m is like terms. We group this one. Then plus here minus 7n, here minus n. See, 3m minus 1mn. Here m means 1m. 3m minus 1m, 2m plus, see here this is 1. See, both terms have minus sign. Put the minus sign. 7 plus 1, 8 n. So 2m plus into minus minus 8n. So the answer is 2m minus 8n. Next, subtract 2y plus z from 6z minus 5y. So after from what is given, 6z minus 5y. That one you write first. Subtract means minus. Then 2y plus z. We multiply this minus inside the bracket. So minus into plus minus. Again minus into plus minus. Okay, now we group the like terms. 6z and minus z. 6z minus z should write with sign. Plus here next y terms. Here minus 5y. Here minus 2y. Okay. Now 6z minus z is 5z. Here the signs are same. Put the same sign. 5. If the signs are same, we add this coefficient. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the minus 5y and minus 2y is minus 7y. Now 5z plus into minus minus 7y. First you write the y terms. Then you write the z. This only correct. This also correct. Okay. So the answer is minus 7y. Now we simplify. X plus y minus z plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x plus 7y minus 6z. Listen girls, this x plus y minus z you write as it is. Here also you have plus sign. So this terms also you write as it is. That is 3x minus 5y plus 7z. Because we multiply this plus inside the bracket, there is no change. Okay. Then see here the sign we have minus. So you should multiply this minus sign inside the bracket. Because we have to change the sign. Because minus into plus minus 14x. This plus 14x comes to minus 14x. Because this minus and plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, this 14x, minus into plus is minus, this 7y, minus into minus plus 6z. Next, you group the like terms. Here x, here 3x, here minus 14x. Group the like terms plus here plus y, minus 5y, minus 7y. Plus here we have minus z, plus 7z, plus 6z. When we group the like terms, should put the bracket, then you put the plus sign in between the two like terms. Okay. Now see here x plus 3x, that is 4x. 4x minus 14x is minus 10x. Plus this plus you write as it is. Here y, here minus 5y minus 7y. We add these two, we get minus 12y. Here this is 1y. 1y minus 12y is minus 11y. We subtract these two, 1y and minus 12y is minus 11y. See here, we add this plus 7z and 6z is 13z. 13z minus 1z is 13 minus 1 is 12z. Now this minus 10x you write as it is. Plus into minus minus 11y, then plus 12z. This is the answer. See this simplify. Second sum is homework. That is very easy. Now here we see third sum. See n plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus n plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus n plus 5. Just you remove the bracket because all the terms have plus sign only. Just you remove the bracket, that is n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4, n plus 5. Okay. Suppose if you have minus sign, just you multiply the minus sign inside the bracket. But here all the terms you have plus terms, so just you write as it is. Just you remove the bracket. Now we group the like terms. Here 1n, here also 1n, here also 1n. So n plus n plus plus here 1m, here also 1m, here 1m. So m plus m plus m. Plus now we group the constant term. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. n plus n is 3n. That is 1n plus 1n plus 1n is 3n. 1m plus 1m plus 1m is 3m. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 3n plus 3m plus 15. This one we write, m is the first term. So 3m plus 3n plus 15. This is the answer. 2 is over. Next, exercise 3.3. We see in the next class.